excess that's left over from the 11-foot wide ones, in other words, we're going to have 2 feet that you're going to cut off of each of the end ones here. You might be able to get across the top with what's left, but let's just say, to be conservative, we're going to need, you know, 11 wide, 3 tall, and then we're going to need plus 1 foot more, you know, 42 by 1 basically, if you put it together that way. You need a 42, the 1 foot wide that we're not going to quite make, because 3 times 8 is 24. So that's going to be 1 foot across the top all the way down the line, so 42 by 1 foot. So I'm not sure if a 1 foot piece of plywood would be reasonable. I haven't done enough roofing to know if that would be supportive enough. It probably would if it's going across the rafters. So the question is, if we do our 11 wide, then that's going to give us, at the end, we're going to have 2 feet wide by 24, which is 48 feet that we can cut out. So we could make that work. So we could actually, it would fit. We could piece it together and make it work. So that means 33 sheets per side times 2 sides, so it's a total of 66 sheets. That would be about the minimum you would need. Assuming that you can make everything fit right, you'd need a minimum of 66. Now, the more general ways, if you're able to do a lot of cutting and fitting with the plywood sheets, if that's something you're willing to do, one way you can start this